Hello, hello, hello. Mega love shout out to all the subscribers and followers of this channel, especially to my students and their parents. And mega love shout out everyone. Namiss ko kayong lahat. So, if you are new to my channel, please one, subscribe. Two, like, share. Don't forget to ring the bell buttons for the next notification. 3. Like, leave a comment, subscribe. 4. Subscribe. Alright. Our lesson for today is about the 4 level of skills or measurements of data, and this will be explained in English and Filipino. This is for grade 7 mathematics, 4th quarter. Alright, so let us review our past lessons from the different types of data or variables, qualitative and quantitative variables or data. Now, uh, what is a qualitative data? So we know that qualitative data are measurements that each fall into one of the several categories like hair, color, ethnic groups, and other attributes of the population. And quantitative data are observations that are measured on a numerical scale, or like distance traveled to college, number of children in a family, the distance you walked from your house to school, no? Or that those are example of quantitative data. And this measure or this data or variables can be uh, divided into another category. Like in quantitative, we have nominal and ordinal. In quantitative, we have ratio and interval. So, on the next slide, we will learn anong pagkakaiba nitong apat na ito. Okay? Next. So, another way of classifying data is to use 4 levels of measurements, or in some books, no, ang ano nila ay scales, no? Yung levels of measurements use a level of scales ang kanilang nakalagay. So, we have nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio. First, we will talk about the nominal scale or measurements. So, it is a qualitative variable or data that categorizes, or pag sinabi natin categorizes is describes or names an element of a population. So, all right, example of this would be people belong to different genders like male and female, or people belong to different religious sectors such as Roman Catholic, born again Christians, and Protestant. It consists of categories in each of which a number of respective observations is recorded. The categories are in no logical order and have no particular relationships. The categories are said to be mutually exclusive since an individual, object, or measurement can be included in only one of them, no? So, yun tinatawag natin nominal. Okay, next. Okay, so we have now the ordinal scale or measurements. All right, so now this is a qualitative variable that incorporates an order, position, or ranking. Example, in class, we have our officers from the highest position, the president, chairman, and the like up to the lowest position. Similarly, in the family, we have the eldest child, yung panganay, the middle child, no, yung gitna, and the youngest child, yung pinakabunso. It consists of distinct categories in which order is implied. No? So values in one category are larger or smaller than the values in other categories. For example, pag nagbigay ng rating ang teacher, meron siyang excellent, good, fair, and poor. Ah, right. Next, we have ratio scale or measurements. Now, ano nga ba to? It is a quantitative variable which have a value of 0 or start at an absolute 0 point. It consists of numerical measurements where the distance between numbers is of a known constant size. In addition, there is a non-arbitrary 0 point. So, dito talaga, meron kang susukotan. Physical measures like mass, length, time, plane angle, energy, and electric charge belong to the ratio scale. Okay, next we have interval scale or measurement. It is also another quantitative variable that based on a set of intervals on a certain scale. The variables are ordered so that any distance between two consecutive values is the same, no? So, yung variables, yung data nakuha natin, or we call that variables, so it is ordered in an interval. So, may consecutive siya. Example, the temperature Celsius scale. So, a unit of measure is used as 1 over 100 of the difference between the freezing point and the boiling point of water at atmospheric pressure. So, dito mapansin nyo, talagang we have an interval, no? Then it is a set of numerical measurements in which the distance between numbers of a known constant size. Okay. So let us have this example. Determine which of the four levels of measurements, like nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio, is used. First, we have the average annual temperature in Tagaytay. B. Weights of garbage discarded by households. Yung mga basura sa bahay, no? Tinitimbang yan. Adjudge rates some presentation as good. So, kung nag-judge ka, good ang binigay mo. Then, the political party to which each group governor belongs. So, ang sagot natin dyan, letter A is interval. So, since meron siyang average sa tinatawag, so, there is really this is an interval measure, no? Or scales. Measurement or scale. Now, look at letter C. The judge rates some presentation is good. So, of course, good is an order, no? Like good, better, best. So, that is ordinal. And letter B, weights of garbage discarded by household. So, of course, that is ratio. And letter D, the political party which governor belongs, that is nominal. No? So, political party, susulat mo lang, no? Next, let's have more example. Determine which of the four levels of measurements, just as nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio is used. Okay, so for example, a teacher rates some projects as excellent. So, pag excellent, that is order, no? Excellent, very good, good, better, best, no? That is ordinal. Next, we have the club to which its students is a member. Okay, that is nominal, no? So, it's the name of the club, like Math and Science Club, English Club, Glee Club, no? That is nominal. Average income of the middle class family, of course, this is an interval, no? Level of measurement because meron siyang average, no? Ano bang average ng middle class family size income? And then we have the volume of water wasted, so that is ratio. So kasi na-measure na yan, no? Alright, so we have questions? Alright, no. Okay, so before I go, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Don't forget to ring the bell buttons for the next notification. 3, like, leave a comment, subscribe. 4, alright, follow me on Facebook and Instagram. For questions and clarifications, just write it at the comment section. Remember, gratitude is the best attitude. And I just want to shout out all the members of the Teacher Marifi Adonis channel. The latest member is Chubby Peggy. Maraming salamat, amiga. Of course, Abby. We have Alea and Abby and Alea Joy channel. Of course, Mellow Touch, Teacher Fed channel, Pinay Australia TV, no? Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, guys. So, iba naman dyan, please help the advocacy of this channel. So, thank you so much. Bye-bye. I love you all.